Hey guys, Brian here. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to go over that the market has been going up and it's actually looking pretty good from a just a looking standpoint. Obviously, there's a lot of things that's going to be going on with the government. A lot of talks are going to be going on. So anything could really happen. But if you look at like the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, any of the bigger stocks, they've been going up today. And that is a great look for everyone that was in covered calls. And I'm saying that in the sense that if, for me, I had some Tesla covered calls, I had some SoFi covered calls, I had some Palantir covered calls that the strike price was, well, the stock price was getting really close to the strike price. And so what I did to capture more premium, because I was below cost basis, I rolled it out a little bit further than I usually would, so I could get the strike price to cost basis. And that makes me happy, to be honest, because that means when the time comes, like that expiration date comes, I'll be able to sell for a wash, like a zero gain, but I would have been able to capture all the premiums along the way. So obviously the plan would be to sell for capital gains, right? For gains. So at least right now, I was able to move like my Tesla cover call back up to 320 because that was my cost basis. And I've been playing covered calls below cost basis because Tesla dropped all the way down to like 220 at one point. So I wanted to still collect money on the way down with my premiums. But now that it started skyrocketing upwards and upwards, I was looking at the trend. So I kept letting the stock price chase my strike price. And in this case, we're at like 285. My original, well, not my original, my most recent strike for Tesla was 290 or 295. So I decided to roll that to 320 for August, so kind of far out, but I was able to collect $1,200 of premium in doing so. And the reason why I was willing to put out the cover call a few months from now is because I was able to get a credit, so get paid to do it, and also get my strike price back to cost basis. For those that don't know what cost basis means, it's back to the price that I bought Tesla at. So in doing so, that makes me feel really confident, again, knowing that if by August it goes past 320 and I forget to roll it or whatever, right? I am getting a like 0% gain, but I'm not losing. I'm not losing money, and I've collected all the premium all the way down on all the way back up. So that is what I currently try to do with like all the stocks that I hold in my portfolio. And one of the comments in one of the most recent videos is that with the wheel strategy, like the goal is to eventually sell your stocks for gains, right? So the beauty of it is being able to sell for premiums with the stock for as long as you can until your stocks get called away. But the caveat is that some people get really what was the comment exactly saying? Really attached to their stocks. And you can't do that, because if you get so attached to your stocks that you never want to sell, then I want to say that's kind of greedy, right? Like, you want to be able to actually realize the gains at some point. And if you don't ever realize the gains, then was that money ever really yours? That's the mindset that you want to look to. But if you realize it, you could tell that the cash is now in your portfolio, in cash. You could do whatever you want with it. It's not just value of a stock at the time, just not just a number next to a ticker. So that's what I wanted to go over in this one, is that eventually you do have to sell the stock. And when you do, you should be happy to do it. You should, and I hope you should be above cost basis. So you should be above the average that you bought, and you should have be able to capture premium over and over again, whether it was weekly, bi-weekly, every 3 weeks, every month, whatever you do. You got to be able to continually make money with a wheel strategy and make it work. Obviously, I teach it. I go over it so much on this channel. I believe it's the best way to grow your portfolio because you can capture appreciation. It is capped at the strike price that you choose, but you're also able to roll out if you needed to. If you wanted to capture more appreciation. And once you make money on that end, then you can use the cash to that you got from the premiums to buy more stocks or do cash secured puts and just continually make more and more money by getting more and more contracts. So this is what I really just want to go into. A really short video, but obviously I'm very excited for what the stock market is doing, and I'm happy that we're pretty much getting back to all-time highs. Like again, I said my all-time high in this account was 84,000. I'm currently sitting right at 81, so another 3 grand to go to we're at all-time highs, and we're not even close to where the all-time highs of the stocks that I was holding are at. So that's the thought process that I'm going through. I'm thinking about rolling a few other ones that are already kind of deep in the money, or I just sell it, let myself get my shares taken away, and then I'll just use the cash to do cash secure puts. I'm still on the fence of what I want to do with that, but overall, very happy with how the stock market is moving right now. I'm still making a good amount of money. I think in the last since Friday, I made over like 3-4 grand just selling options, and that's the way I want to get back to, because there was a point in like January where I was getting like 10 grand a month, but here we are, a little bit shorter, a little bit not as much money, but I'm excited to where we're going. And as long as nothing crazy happens in the news, we'll be getting past this all-time high very soon. So I just want to go over this. Thank you guys for watching. You don't even need to like, comment, and subscribe, but if you do want to help out the channel, help out me, I highly suggest that you do, because I would really appreciate it. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon.